Good day, fellow mathematicians. Welcome back to our video. Today we're going to discuss another topic in pre-calculus, and that topic is the examples. The examples about circles. Previously, in the past few videos, we have discussed the theoretical portion of what a circle is, what is the standard form of a circle and its general form, and the cases wherein what are the radius or of the circle kung halimbawa pag greater than 0, less than 0, equals to 0, and whatnot. But today we will be discussing and indulging ourselves with different kinds of examples from now on. Now, let's begin with the first example. Halimbawa 1. Determine the center and the radius of the circle x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 16 and sketch the graph. Ngayon, we know that this is in the center radius form or CRF or in the standard form. Alam natin yun. Ngayon, let's have a solution. Let's have a solution. We know that the center radius form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. So, ibig sabihin, pwede natin isulat yung given as x minus negative 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 4 squared. Diba? Kasi diba 4 squared is 16. Therefore, the center is negative 3, comma 2, kasi diba, hindi siya minus 2 kasi y minus 2, yun 2 yung kino-consider mo. Tapos, and the radius is r is equal to 4. Diba? And we are asked to sketch the graph. Ngayon, let's open our trusty GeoGebra. Ngayon, ano equation ng circle natin? This is x plus 3 quantity squared plus y minus 2 quantity squared is equal to 16. And this is the equation of the circle. And if you will notice, the center is located at C. Lagyan natin ng point dito kasi hindi siya nade-determine eh. Negative 3, comma 2. Ito, diba? Tapos yung radius mo ay 4. Ito yung center. Diba radius mo? Paano mabakompute ang radius? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito yon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ito rin yon. And that is indeed the radius. Tama? And that's the circle na diniscuss natin in halimbawa 1. Delete natin for the sake of the other examples. And let's go back to the paper. Ngayon, nagawa na natin yung halimbawa 1. Now, let's go to halimbawa 2. Ngayon, ang sabi sa atin, give the standard form for the equation of the circle with center C 2, negative 4 and radius 5. Ngayon, given naman yung center and yung radius. Ngayon, solution. We know that, let's zoom in a little bit. We know that the center radius form is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. Paulit-ulit ko siya sinusulat para maalala nyo. This implies that yung center kasi ay 2, negative 4. So, ganito natin siya isulat. Ganito Yung 2, negative 4. Tapos, r is equal to 5. This implies that this is x minus 2 squared plus y minus negative 4 quantity squared is equal to 5 squared. And this implies that this is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equal to 25. And this is the standard form of the circle. Ngayon, paano ano itsura ng graph niya? Now, let's go back to GeoGebra. Ano yan? This is x minus 2 quantity squared plus y plus 4 quantity squared is equal to 25. Ito naman yung itsura ng circle natin and radius niya is negative 2, 4. Para makita, negative 2, 4. Ayan, negative 2. No, that negative 2. It's positive 2. I'm sorry. Positive 2, negative 4. Negative 4. Ayan. This is the center and radius 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Indeed, 5 ang radius niya. Now, let's go back to the paper. Ngayon, yung radius niya is 2, negative 4. Mali ako doon sa ano. Now, let's have a slightly harder example na given yung general form natin. Given yung, di ba kasi para naka-general form siya, di ba? Di ba? Nakikita nyo? Find the circumference, di ba? Tinanong na tayo. Circumference and area of a circle defined by the equation x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. Ngayon, let's have a solution. Let's have a solution. Ngayon, zoom natin. We know that the general form is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0, centered at c, negative d over 2, negative e over 2, and with radius r, which is equal to the square root of d squared plus e squared minus 4f all over 2. Kung natataka kayo saan nanggaling yan, visit the last video. I have proven these formulas. Ngayon, ang gagawin natin, kailangan natin malaman ang radius. Kasi 'di ba? Recall that the area of a circle, ganito yung sinusulat, the area of a circle is pi r squared. This is the area. And the circumference is defined as c, which is equal to 2 pi r. This is the circumference. The circumference. So what we need is the radius. Needed is the radius. Radius r. And we have a formula. What is the formula? Let's change colors to indicate na ano. What is the formula? Ito yung formula ng radius, di ba? And we have D, E, and F. Saan makikita? D, E, and F. Di ba? Now, by the given, D is equal to negative 8. Kasi di ba siya yung coefficient ng x term. Yung E is equal to positive 6 kasi siya yung coefficient ng y term. Ito. And F is equal to negative 24 kasi siya yung F or yung constant term. Ngayon, by the formula for R, we get, paano? Yung R natin, R is equal to, ano yung formula natin? Diba ito yung formula. Square root of D squared plus EF minus 4F all over 2. Magiging square root of D squared, negative 8 squared, plus 6 squared, minus 4 multiplied by negative 24, all over 2. Tama? Saan yan equal? This is equal to the square root of 64, kasi negative 8 squared, plus 6 squared or 36, plus, this is 96. Kasi 24 multiplied by 4 is 96 all over 2. Eh di ba magiging equal yan sa R is equal to square root of 36 plus 64 is 100 plus 96 all over 2. Or square root of 196. all over 2. Or, this is 14. This is a perfect square all over 2. Therefore, R is equal to 7. So, ibig sabihin, you can calculate the area and the circumference as the problem finds. Gustong hanapin, circumference and area. So, therefore, ngayon, for the area, ganito gagawin natin. For the area, anong gagawin natin? A, tapos ito, yung may symbol na bilog sa baba to indicate na circle yan. This is pi r squared or pi 7 squared or this is 49. Kapag units ng area is square units. Square units. Kapag area. Tama? Or pwede natin sulat as or 49 square units. Ayan, yan yung una. Pangalawa, for the circumference, ano ang circumference? Nabanggit ko na kanina, this is 2 pi r. So, magiging 2 pi multiplied by r, which is 7, or 14 pi. 14 pi. Ito pala nasa taas, hindi siya 49. May pi ito. I'm sorry. Hindi na muntikon pa tayo magkamali. This is 49 pi square units. Kasi bakit may pi? Kasi ito yun, ito yung pi. Ayun. I'm sorry. So yun, na-correct shot this. This is 14 pi. Kapag naman kapag circumference lang, units. So yan ang hinahanap ng problem natin. Hinahanap yung circumference and area ng circle na ito. Ngayon, let's draw the circle in GeoGebra. Ngayon, balik tayo dito. And di ko siya na-delete dito. I'm sorry. Delete. Ngayon, let's input the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 6y minus 24 is equal to 0. And that's indeed the circle kanina doon sa given. It is indeed a circle. Ito yan, yung orange portion. Diba? I hope you learned something today. I hope that you have appreciated the examples of how we apply and work on circles. In the next video, we will be applying more examples because we are doing a lot of examples in this playlist, in this season. And until then, mathematicians, keep safe and have a good day. Goodbye now.